Pukkelpop, make some noise for the Kabin Crew!
Woo! Pukkelpop, are you ready for a Kabin party? I said, are you ready for a Kabin party? Can you try this for me? Ain't no party like a party up in the cabin.
Ain't no party like a party up in the cabin!
Ah, come on, we could do way better than that. Ain't no party like a party up in the cabin.
Ain't no party like a party up in the cabin!
Let's try it. Oh, Genie, this is a belter. We can rock the show all night long. Everybody dancing round to our songs. Got Fanta, got jellies, and all the food from the deli. I love Christmas, I love birthdays. I party even on a Thursday. If there's a car that want money, and a Swiss roll, 'cause that's yummy. Ain't no party like a party up in the cabin. Got Fanta, pizza, loads of sweets, got pizza, and everybody's rapping. Party in the cabin, it's like heaven. Start at 4, go home at 7. Everybody just giving us presents. We won't stop rock for a second. When we get cold, we make the roof, 'cause everybody knows the camera could come out and move. That's us on the speaker with the decent tune. Looking at the neighbors would make you boo. Ain't no party like a party up in the cabin. Got Fanta, pizza, loads of sweets, got pizza, and everybody's rapping. Ain't no like a party up in the cabin. Got Fanta, pizza, loads of sweets, got pizza, and everybody's rapping. Cabin is hopping, it's like a disco. No, Nat, I'm not going to the bingo. Got new clothes in Matt and Pine. I dress nice, I never disappoint. Who's that walking through the door? We got celebrities here for sure. Chilling with the main man, Tyson Fury. He wants to party with us, that's the story. Put your hands up in the air. The party starts right now, right here. Put your hands up in the air. The party starts right now, right here. Ain't no party like a party up in the cabin. Got Fanta, pizza, loads of sweets, got pizza, and everybody's rapping. Ain't no party like a party up in the cabin. Got Fanta, pizza, loads of sweets, got pizza, and everybody's rapping.
Leo.
Are you proud of where you're from? We're from the Kabin Studio, Knocknaheeny in Cork City, Ireland!
Let me hear you say, Knocknaheeny, what's up, what's good?
Knocknaheeny, what's up, what's good?
No, you can do way better than that. Try it again. Knocknaheeny, what's up, what's good?
Knocknaheeny, what's up, what's good?
Okay. Knocknaheeny, what's up, what's good? A place that's often misunderstood. From the outside looking in, you might think it's wrong. But let me tell you, people living here are tough. There's always something happening here night or day. New projects, Kabin Studio, and their GAA. So proud that I'm living here. think we're ready now.
Will we try that again, guys? 1, 2, 3.
I do how it's meant to be done after me.
I do it how it's meant to be done.
Go on, Mary.
I do it how it's meant to be done.
Everybody in the room be stunned. Make a rats at the camp is so fun. And when they think I'm up to the front, I do it how it's meant to be done. Everybody in the room be stunned. Make a rats at the camp is so fun. And when they think I'm up to the front, not meaning that's where we are. And that kind of makes spit new bars. In here I feel like a star. Every day we're lifting it large. School is sometimes boring. See all the students snoring. Homework, it sucks. It's worse than eating a raw duck.
Quack, quack. I do it how it's meant to be done.
Everybody in the room be stunned. Make a mess at the camp so fun. And when they think I'm up to the front,
I do it how it's meant to be done.
everybody in the room be stunned. Make a mess at the camp so fun. And when they think I'm up to the front,
Make some noise for real.
fly like a butterfly, sting like a bee. I'm too fast 'cause you can't catch me. I'm like a cheetah, you're a chimpanzee. Gone like the wind, see the back of me. I'm away with it, I'm on stage winning. Get the crowd going, that's my name they're singing. With a cheeky, cheeky smile, yeah, you know I'm grinning. Look at you, wishing I was quitting, but
I'm at the top and I'm never gonna come down. Non-stop, no friends, dropping my crown. Think you could ever drag me down? You're wrong, I'm gonna make a bigger sound. I'm at the top and I'm never gonna come down. Non-stop, no friends, dropping my crown. Think you could ever drag me down? You're wrong, I'm gonna make a bigger sound. Make some noise for David, aka DKD.
this is the solo rap that I made. Not even a decade, it's sharper than a blade. There won't be sweet, no scams in my book, keep my trace. Invade my personal space, you'll need first aid. I'm not afraid, I get paid, I'm self-made. A renegade, no masquerade. Have a parade in my rollerblades. You're too late, you'll never catch me. I'm due. See, in my shades, it's David. Don't forget the name, just save it, it's Steve. Don't forget the name, just save it, it's Steve. Don't forget the name, just save it. Just save it. If you're feeling it, say it with me. Move till you're dizzy. Move till you're dizzy. Say it loud and proud. Say it with me. Move till you're dizzy. Move till you're dizzy.
Make some noise for Dylan.
Go on, Dylan, kill it. It's Dylan on track, chilling. At the cabin, I'm ready to make a million. Cruising in the backseat, kicking some freestyles. Making rap star always make me smile. Dylan got style, make the crowd go wild. Out rap
Make some noise for MC Bucky!
What, Bucky?
Make some noise!
And I make it go. Switching up the plot, changing up the flow. Gonna give it all I got, gonna take it slow. Cause I can blink overnight, that's how I can roll. Let me take control, so I make it go. Whoa. Switching up the plot, changing up the flow. Gonna give it all I got, gonna take it slow. Cause I can blink overnight, that's how I can roll. Let me take control, so I make it go.
Aiming for the top, never stop. No hesitation, wanna rap a lot and improve. With acceleration, be amazing at this game. Dedication is a real. Moving into a new lane, because that is how I feel.
My goals and email, switching into turbo. Times are turbulent, I'll get through this inferno. Everything I do it with class, I do it fast. Like a rocket on your speakers, I'm having a blast, and that's a fact. So there's no arguing, it's undebatable. Cause the prize I bring a blown. Fadeable, I'm capable of doing anything, it's unmistakable. Sensational is what my raps are, it's unexplainable. Make the most of what I have, cause that is how I grow. Take a look back to my past, now I see it glow. Termination, neon bars, and a decent flow. Never let them know your next move, yeah, I make it go. Switching up the plot, changing up the flow. Gonna give it all I got, gonna take it slow. It's like a blink of a light, that's how life will roll. Life will take control, so I make it go. Whoa. Switching up the plot, changing up the flow. Gonna give it all I got, gonna take it slow. It's like a blink of a light, that's how life can roll. Let me take control, so I make it go. Whoa.
Make some noise!
You're better witness, Bucky back in business. Beats on the barrel, I'm playing fast, like I'm running for a finish. Athletic, I'm on the ball like magnetic. Backing in it, I'm energetic. Everything I do is so poetic. Back never do, I out when I pitch, that's what I do. I came from the badger, up in the camp with all our crew. Keeping it real, spitting the facts, no lies are true. Want everyone to know my name from Knocknahee to Peru. If you wanna go places, gotta have determination. See me rock these stages, this here's a demonstration. I give my all in every situation. No matter big or small, these dreams are what I'm chasing. Thank you.
Make some noise for Eileen Varteen, rapping in Irish!
It's Michelle Eileen Martin. I usually rap in the Irish language. I'm not sure if some of you have heard of them, but Kneecap also does this. They released a movie recently, so we're trying to revive the Irish language. Do you think you could try this after me? I'll give you a little Irish lesson. So when I say, Táme imihli ijona sílsha, I want you to repeat that back after me. Will we try it? Táme imihli ijona sílsha. Táme imihli ijona sílsha. You'll get it, you'll get it.
Make some noise!
Sin could heart, ni rev shit is gone. Nick na mi sabi jub is suck. Enough, Tasha the fruit. Tasha foes jack rock, Tommy, Berdul, Mars man, old may could be a dig beach. Ta roll a gum, do the bell 6 year. It's come a king, each locked in the air beach. Ta ready, sit down, they got through a reach. Tommy rank and dollar right, shin and talk to film it, or white full of me, no hustle me, they clay gilair, marangina, igdera on lay. Thomas Gillen, that is me too. Really a man, really a toot. Ta got a gum gun, clean and very real cat. Tommy, Emily, it's on the seal shot. 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 It's on the seal shot. Back on shop, ni ekin er the phone. Dealing with the ekin to our scaling dough. Tama chillin' me no gay slump a queen I shut in my scale and shut in my him. My bab, big from suicide him. A green sheet, knees dark and a tar heat. Tama girl vet Lenny Prince stop. A make me in my real ta. Excella, my lyric excella. Britney Road in a tashi of blood filler. Thought to car is Tommy reduce. I like it, I juice a color ruddy ahru. Excella, my lyric excella. Britney Road in a tashi of blood filler. Thought to car is Tommy reduce. I like it, I juice a color ruddy ahru. Tommy, Emily, it's on the seal shot. Tom, Emily, it's on the seal shot. Tommy, Emily, it's on the seal shot. Tom, Emily, it's on the seal shot.
Check. Hey, Pukkelpop, you ready to keep the vibes up? Yo, name's Luke, origins, here's my flow. Typically, I don't rap this slow, though I let you know it's about time. Go to let the freak show how he runs the freak show. Wrote this verse while at CSN, but I ended up changing a few lines in the end. Had content from previous tracks, and I really want to rid repetition from my raps. I wouldn't be here, not for GMC. He let me express myself and made me feel free. From the halls of East Lagon to the cabin and the hopping through thick and thin. The top is the top, the hip-hop world is my comfort zone. At school, out and about, or chilling at home. Although freestyling leaves me shook, give me enough time, trust me, I'll show you I can cook. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up. I feel safe when I'm lost in the beat. From the tips of my hair to the toes on my feet, I can just jam and just get lost in these hills. Even through turmoil, there's always hope. You might as well call this my great escape. I can just be myself till the end of the day. Proud of what I have achieved so far. On top of the world, just spitting bars. A controlled acid trip, completely drug-free when it's just the mic, the music, and me. Scenarios and inspirations of all sizes in this funky world of music. Full of surprises, every drum hit, every strum of the guitar I elevate to a higher plane. It's quite bizarre. Philharmonical, methodical, hyperactive on the periodic. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up. Days might not have sun rays, but remember, you'll always have mates to help you with the pain. You're not alone, no matter what the mind is telling you. No matter how high those walls, they will break you. For they're your strength. Your friends are your power, shining through in the darkest of hours. Just remember, keep calm and keep up the vibes. Keep calm and keep up the vibes. Everybody keep the. Come on, keep the vibes up. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up. Everybody keep the vibes up. Come on, keep the vibes up.
Make some noise for Tiny!
Pukkelpop! I want you to hear you say, hype man! 3, 2, 1, hype man! And again, 3, 2, 1, hype man! You're all set. Hype man, all I can ask is a hype man. Ooh, hype man, all I can ask is a hype man. Ooh, hype man, all I can ask is a hype man. Ooh, hype man. What? I don't even know what I'm getting to. Wish I could just get up and get a waiting room. Cause I'm getting sick of all the children getting through. Gary don't all the admits to eat the truth. I'm breaking down all of these barriers so I can get back up and start carrying all of the weight on my shoulders. I'm born bridges that'll make me no colder. I'm gonna build up on all these achievements and crossing these demons. I got a few dreams that I do for release. I do to the people, I do what I see. I follow my dreams, I do what I do for the peeps. And I do what I do is for me. I wanna go global, want people to see. Wanna go platinum, want people to hear what I plead. You nothing but a hype man, but when I get up on the stage, we go hype man. You nothing but a hype man, but when I get up on the stage, we go hype man. Make it like ooh, hype man. All I can ask is hype man. Ooh, hype man. All I can ask is hype man. Ooh, hype man. All I can ask is hype man. Ooh, hype man. All I can ask is hype man. Bang, coming on through with no caution. Never ring an air bed to my conscience. I keep it rolling, never off the topic. Yeah, I stand up for the ball, I don't drop it. Put your guns in the air with the aimers. I give it on point like a laser. If you're not feeling the beat, you're not able. They be coming at you boys with new flavors. Yeah, I feel groovy. Lately, life's been a movie. Honestly, it's sailing so smoothly. Just banging out the tunes, it's so booty. Just shuffling just from the noise. No bottling, just keep it nice. If you made us up to get with the joy, you just stand up, you're up for the night. You, I'm but a hype man. Get up on the stage, we go hype man. You, nothing but a hype man. But when I get up on the stage, we go hype man. Make it like, ooh, hype man. All I can ask you, hype man. Ooh,
hype man,
all I can ask you,
hype man,
ooh,
hype man,
all I can ask you,
hype man,
ooh,
hype man,
all I can ask you.
hype man.
Right, Pukkelpop. Before we get this next song going, I got one last request for you. Ladies and gentlemen, can I hear you say what? Can I hear you say what? Thank you very much. Every day I be getting up to mischief, but I add another name to my hit list. They don't realize Tony's been different roles. These chickens like I was in the kitchen, never sweat up against opposition. Be mounting off, but I'm not listening. Get the heat blasting off like a missile. Make it big, make it work, that's my mission. Keep it quiet, no witness. When I'm on the mic, I'm a whiz kid. Don't get like biscuits, I'm gifted. Bless you with my presents at Christmas. It's true, I'm a special edition. In the book, what I do is just business. To you, when I guess I'm uplifted. I got ambitions, big things are my vision. What? You can never block my vision. What? Cause this kid was born different. What? You can never block my vision. What? Cause this kid was born different. Tiny but the machine is big. I'm a star like Michelin kid. That's why you never come across a delivery as delicious as this. I end all my bars with a chef's kiss. Fellas rapping like they wanna be arrested. When I'm confident, promote my gesture. Chucking the crowd like I am electric. Check it, I'm in the zone, nobody can piss. Kids throws poisonous like asbestos. Call me a heart attack after breathless. Sleeping straight, writing rhymes, I'm restless. Letting off steam like a kettle, I'm bringing the steam like a nettle. You know the name is the cabin, I'm repping. Don't come in my lane, you will crash in a second. What? You can never block my vision. What? Cause this kid was born different. What? You can never block my vision. What? Cause this kid was born different.
Pukkelpop, my name is Rosaline, and I want to know, are you having a good time? I said, are you having a good time? Close your eyes, feel that spark inside. Let it ignite and light up my night. I know that I'll survive, 'cause you're taking me higher. We're born for your fire. You're taking me, you're taking me, you're taking me, you're taking me higher, higher. Get lost in this, burn up in this. Feel the heat for your fire, fire. We're born from your fire. No doubt you feel the heat rising to your body like lightning. Don't find it surprising that you think it's baptizing. So when it's doing what it's told, and you can feel it in your soul, just let the beat take control, 'cause you're taking me higher. We're born from your fire. You're taking me, you're taking me, you're taking me, you're taking me higher, higher. Get lost in this, burn up in this. Feel the heat from your fire. Make some noise for Cara Collins!
Running away, no longer. I'm not running away, no longer. I'm not running away, no longer. I'm not running away. I'm not running from a problem. I'm not running from the truth. I'm not running away from my fears. I'm not running away from you. I'm finally ready to take control of my goals, to take control of my dreams, to take control of my hope, take control of my life. No more hiding behind this wall. I've decided to let it fall. That's why I'm no longer running away, no longer. I'm not running away, no longer. I'm not running away, no longer. I'm not running away. Couldn't let it get to me. Could have been the death of me. Had everything ahead of me, but it felt like I couldn't breathe. Got so bad I thought I would die. So to the old me I said goodbye. I'm chasing after dreams so high. Never gonna let this life pass me by. Every step I take I'm breaking free. No limits and no boundaries. That's why I'm no longer running away, no longer. I'm not running away, no longer. I'm not running away, no longer. I'm not running away. Oh, 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 oh,
Everyone make some noise for Roshi!
I do it for the girls when I do it for myself. Stand on my own 2 feet, no one else. Best foot forward whenever I step. Only making right moves, never take a left. Yeah, I look after my mental health, so I don't need a nosebleed to hold up my head, and I don't need to sneeze just to know that I'm blessed. I look in the mirror, keep telling myself, you're amazing. Positive when I make affirmations. Optimist cause I made a lot of changes. Look at this, all I did was be amazing. All I did was be amazing. Positive when I make affirmations. Optimist cause I made a lot of changes. Look at this, all I did was be amazing. All I did was be strong. Stayed resilient and kept moving on. Struggled for a little but it wasn't for too long. Felt stressed but now I can express it through a song. Heads rest, then I head to the cabin and it's gone. Nothing can stop me now, I'm on a roll. My head is now clear and I'm taking control. Only looking forward, can't afford to look back, cause I'm on the right track, getting ready to adapt. In a bad place and I had determination. Hated living with this generation. People not having those important conversations. Break it down but tell yourself you're amazing. Positive when I make affirmations. Optimist cause I made a lot of changes. Look at this, all I did was be amazing. All I did was be amazing. Positive when I make affirmations. Optimist cause I made a lot of changes. Look at this, all I did was be amazing. All I did was be amazing.
This is for all the girls out there who have big dreams and aren't afraid to achieve them.
Come on you girls in green, come on you girls in green, we shout. Do it for the girls out playing in the streets and parks and greens. Make that roar, get louder. Up the girls, we couldn't be any prouder. Ole, ole, ole.
To Carlini and women, there's no limit to what we can do, so let's get winning. Strong and fearless, just like our mans. We don't back down, we don't say no, we say we can.
We keep on racing and racing, we defy gravity. We do for the sisters, the cousins, brothers, the families. And playing football is not just for the boys. For these girls in green, we're out here making noise. We shout, come on you girls in green, come on you girls in green, we shout. Do it for
sing for the communities, represent the place we're from the local pitches to the biggest stadiums.
On that field I bring that skill. Watch how this lady run. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. And not Mahini, the birthplace of a legend. Daily so Sullivan, that's the name. Now don't forget it.
Standing tall and green, we got dreams. We can work wonders straight out of Cork. The banks of the lead to the USA, to them under. Got Captain Katie McCabe, Courtney Brosnan saving the day. Eileen Gleeson got a squad. Now that will not be easy to break.
We shout, come on you girls in green, come on you girls in green. We shout, do it for the girls out playing in the streets and parks and greens. Make that roar, get louder. Up the girls, we couldn't be any prouder. Ole, 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 come on you girls in green, come on you girls in green. We shout, do it for the girls out playing in the streets and parks and greens. Make that roar, get louder. Up the girls, we couldn't be any prouder. Ole, ole, ole.
Stay out. Give Sophia a mic.
What's up, Pukkelpop? I see a load of decent hats in the audience. Make some noise if you love your hats. Well, I love my hat so much, I wrote a song about it. Walking down the street in that sombrero. People look at me like I'm a weirdo. I do what I want cause I'm a hero. Walking round cocking that sombrero. Put my head up high and let my face shine. Nothing in this world can make me cry. Yeah, hold my head up high and let my face shine. Nothing in this world can make me cry. You can try, but I'm a tough lady. Say what you want, cause I know that I am crazy. I embrace it, cause I'm decent. My red sombrero is amazing. I wanna wear my sombrero forever. Training on the pitch, going in for a header. No matter what the weather, my sombrero stays on. Even at the cabin, right in not Swiss. You're walking round the street in that sombrero. People look at me like I'm a weirdo. I do what I want cause I'm a hero. Walking round, cocking my sombrero. Hold my head up high and let my face shine. Nothing in this world can make me cry. Yeah, hold my head up high and let my face shine. Nothing in this world can make me cry. So, last year I was on a big Irish television show, and I guess I had a bit of a hiccup on live TV, so I wrote a song about that. Bright lights, then my brain went blank, couldn't find the ball, standing on the stage I sank. It was like I was swimming in the deepest of oceans. Said the water, it was full of emotion. Pen to my page, writing how I feel. Think of what just happened, like what they even real. What would they say, what should I put on display? That one little thing just ruined my best day. Times we stumble, times we fall. That's okay, that's life, right? One stand tall. You might feel bad and you might feel sad, but expressing your feelings is right and not mad. Like a hiccup, just hold your breath. Stay calm and you can go again. And it might go the way that you want it to go. And you come back strong and let the whole world know. If you mess up and your whole world's trying to take a step back, look at what really matters. You gave it a go, that's what they can say. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. If you mess up and your whole world's trying to take a step back, look at what really matters. You gave it a go, that's what they can say. No one is perfect at the end of the day.
There's no need to hide.
No need to hide.
There's no need to hide.
this one, so I'm gonna teach you the chorus. When we sing, there'll never be anyone like you. We want you to sing, rise up. Do you think you can do that? I said, do you think you can do that? Will we give it a go? So. There'll never be anyone like you. Rise up. You know you gotta let it shine through. Rise up.
No matter what you say, no matter what you do, not gonna make me live your way. No, I don't have something to prove. Small and high, bigger heads, this can tear me apart. Take a walk in my shoes. If you're confused, accept then you can start.
I won't sit quietly, I will be heard and seen. No one can tell me what I can or what I cannot be. How I should look, what I should wear, what I can say. I'm not gonna be your statistic on a page. Don't let them put you in a box and get restricted. Just evict them from your thoughts and all those toxic ways of thinking. Go find something else to put your mind to. Cause powerful calling, they gonna shine through.
I'm alright with who I am, are you, are you, are you? I'm alright with who I am, are you, are you, are you? I'm alright with who I am, are you, are you, are you? Colleen, Miss Knock will change your attitude.
There'll never be anyone like you.
Rise up,
You know you gotta let it shine through.
rise up,
There'll never be anyone like you.
rise up,
You know you gotta let it shine through.
rise up.
Never let anyone tell you what you can't do. It's not your fault if you don't understand you. Embrace your inner beauty, come at yourself. Love your flaws, love your body, love yourself.
Gonna raise you up, up. We're gonna reach the top, top. Elevate, we gon' celebrate and stay motivated. We educated, so elegant, intelligent, and my element. Tell the world about it. Love yourself, don't you hesitate. Let the people see the love resonate.
Don't know if you have heard.
We run the world.
Think we're weak, don't be absurd. Expand your mind, your judgment's blurred.
Call it in.
Take a stand, see your privilege.
Do it for your sisters and mothers and just start listening. I'm alright with who I am, are you, are you, are you? I'm alright with who I am, are you, are you, are you? I'm alright with who I am, are you, are you, are you? Colleen, Miss Knock will change your attitude.
There'll never be anyone like you.
Rise up,
You know you gotta let it shine through.
rise up,
There'll never be anyone like you.
rise up,
You know you gotta let it shine through.
rise up.
Pukkelpop, make some noise for Mishnak! Pukkelpop, are you ready to find your spark? I said, are you ready to find your spark? Prove it.
Prove it.
1, 2, 3, go. Think you can.
What we do? I know it. You got the energy, we'll tell you all about it. I searched for my spark and I found it.
Okay, that sounds good. Now we gotta explain. Our friends from the Listum Varna crew, make some noise for them. And you can see them on screen. We don't have any sound. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if some of you are aware of what direct provision is in Ireland. It's a really bad system where people who are seeking asylum have to be put in, but it restricts a lot of what they can do. So unfortunately, the Listum Varna crew cannot travel outside of Ireland, so that is why they cannot be with us today. But everybody make some noise for the Listum Varna crew!
They're our best friends.
So they just did a festival with them yesterday in Ireland called Electric Picnic. It's the biggest festival in Ireland, and they absolutely smashed the place. But we have the Kabin Crew representing, so make some noise for the Kabin Crew! And this is
This is unbelievably special for us. What we do, we help young people to make music, to express themselves through rap, through songwriting, and being creative. And we see the power that it has, so make some noise for creativity, for music, for expression. Let's go.
Pukkelpop! Do you like drum and bass by any chance? Well, we have one more drum and bass song for you, and I'm gonna teach you the chorus. So, when I sing, you like my favorite song spinning around in my head. I want you to sing it la 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 la. Will we give it a go? You like my favorite song spinning around in my head. Sing it la 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 la. Never gave you a key, but you're locked in my head. Sing it la 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 la. Are we ready? I say, are we ready? It's a love, but we know that this won't work out. I've already said. You like my favorite song, spin around in my head, singing la 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 la. Never gave you a key, but you locked in my head, singing la 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 la. You like my favorite song, spin around in my head, singing la 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 la. Never gave you a key, but you locked in my head, singing la 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 la.
Pukkelpop, when I say do you like what we do, I want you to shout, yeah boy, are ye ready? 3, 2, 1, do you like what we do?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna be in the crew?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna hear something new?
Yeah, boy.
I'm gonna blow off the roof.
Yeah, boy.
Do you like what we do?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna be in the crew?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna hear something new?
Yeah, boy.
I'm gonna blow off the roof.
Yeah, boy.
Jumping on the track and run to the beat. It's funky on the mic, so move your hands to beat when I'm on the bike. You lose control, but when I'm on mine, you better get off the road. I'm always in the voice, I'm never on my own, but you can't call me cause I broke my phone.
Ring, ring.
Started rapping when I was only 7 rocks. So many crimes by the age of 11.
Do you like what we do?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna be in the crew?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna hear something new?
Yeah, boy.
I'm gonna blow off the roof.
Yeah, boy.
Do you like what we do?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna be in the crew?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna hear something new?
Yeah, boy.
I'm gonna blow off the roof.
Yeah, boy.
Jimmy's on the mic in the sun, I be chillin', I'm Superman, but I get down to a villain when I start to rip the beats, I be killing. I can never lose because I'm always winning. I'm a Barnaby, it's the place to be, where the boys are cool and the girls are mean. You'll always hear I'm on a bike going round the green, passing by my house when I'm trying to go to sleep. Vroom, vroom, they're going down the back road while I be writing sick raps, chilling at home. I'm a mini Slim Shady. I had a mic, not a rattle in my hand as a baby. Boys wanna battle me, I think they're crazy. You can chase me, but you'll never beat me. I'm well connected like Wi-Fi. I'm ready to do with raps, it's a drive-by.
Do you like what we do? Yeah, boy.
Wanna be in the crew?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna hear something new?
Yeah, boy.
I'm gonna blow off the roof.
Yeah, boy.
Do you like what we do?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna be in the crew?
Yeah, boy.
Wanna hear something new?
Yeah, boy.
We're gonna blow off the roof.
Yeah, boy.
Pukkelpop, thank you so much!
Thank you for everything!
Make some noise for the Kabin Crew! And make some noise for our friends in the Listum Varna crew. Thank you so much!
Cheers, lads. Enjoy your day.
1, 2, 3, bam!
I love you guys so much!
Enjoy your festival, guys. See you around.